Hey, welcome to a new day. Yeah, we've been digging for a long time to find you guys. Alright, did y'all learn anything down here? Welcome home. I make more if I live dangerous. How can I breathe? God favor us eclipse with angles such as these. Go blind, suffocate, singles lunch. I love you for the last time, seem painless, cause we never even think while in the mirror think. Love like you lost, never even cost. Material life sometimes costs a most precious asset. Go upstairs, talk to the boss. I'm just a servant, feel good, Satan lost. Least expecting it's too late, greater good. Even if stuck in a cave, he'll bust you out. Who can I trust? God, that's who. Pretending things don't hurt when they do. The backseat is the safest place. Smoking mirrors, I'm through. I might die, so reception off. Restricted to the bare minimum, dog. Victory when they least expect it. Stay silent, strength through weakness found. Breathe, be in it. At first, you'll be a little timid, similar to the line of scrimmage. Welcome to the Thunderdome, your new name is dinner. Talk if you a contender. Pretenders get dealt with violently. To the ones ratty like me, privately aching, hurt, livelier it be. Miscommunication, prep the radar, just be lucky enough to attack. A little bit of luck, your line will get flat. Who can I trust? God, that's who. Pretending things don't hurt when they do. The backseat is the safest place. Smoking mirrors, I'm through. Who can I trust? Me, that's who. Pretending things don't hurt when they do. The backseat is the safest place. Smoking mirrors, I'm through. Who can I trust? Me, that's who. Pretending things don't hurt when they do. The backseat is the safest place. Smoking mirrors, I'm through. The mind easily come up with ways to the least amount of work to pass an evolution that already been figured out. Pride in the business where you get your clout. Attention to detail, red means you're out. Blood painted this decoration, all this amount. Brotherhood, sisterhood, this journey here, we about to find out. Suffer with me till you get fed up. Severity of solidification, be my protection guard. Hail Mary to the resurrection. Department of Correction sent me in a new direction. It's even hot on the porch, kitchen, better have protection. The stove still can scorch. Who can I trust? God, that's who. Pretending things don't hurt when they do.